Hello loves, welcome to the Sparkle Z Boutique. Today I'm coming to you with this black entertainment system that I was actually using as a bar cart. However, it does not match my decor, but now it does. And if you want to see how I did that, you know what you got to do. Keep watching. And of course, you want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And then they have the options for you to set how you want to be notified about my channel. You can click all or occasional, but of course you want to know about all the fun on my channel. So click the all, including my creator post, and click the OK button and you're all set. Thank you for subscribing. Shine bright like a diamond. But I did notice as I was looking at it that there's some damage here. It's like some plywood, but I'm thinking I should be able to peel this plastic off, and if not on the whole thing, at least on the sides, we'll figure that out after I take it apart. And this is just regular plastic. I don't know, but all the spray cans always say, and you can paint plastic, so we're about to find out. This is a glass. I'm going to take the glass that comes out. So what I'm going to do now is take everything apart, and I'm going to spray paint the main part silver and paint these side pieces right here gold. But the first step is going to be taking it apart. I started at the edge and kind of pulled it off towards the middle, and it came off pretty easily. I probably could have did this an easier way, maybe with a scraper or something. I don't know. I just didn't want to damage the top at all because I really didn't want to have to sand it or anything. So I was really happy that this really peeled up, and it really didn't take that long. Okay, after peeling the top off, nothing else on this entertainment system could be peeled off. It had to be spray painted. So I am going to take this apart. It has the interlock screws. I think that's the proper word for it, where you basically just turn it and it comes apart. So now I'm going to pull everything apart and take it out and spray paint it. Okay, it is the next day and everything is spray painted. I haven't decided what I want to do with the top yet, but I did spray paint the top silver, and the whole entertainment system silver and the arms gold. But I noticed when I spray painted the gold part, it left fingerprints on it, and I didn't want to leave those fingerprints exposed. So what I did was decided to put gold bling wrap from the Dollar Tree on it, and I think it turned out beautiful. So we're going to do that next. And these are the bling wrap adhesive sheets that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got them in gold, of course, and I am going to take them one by one and put them on the side. I will have to adjust the size, but I used 3 of them to complete this. These sheets have adhesive backing on them. And if you can't find them at the Dollar Tree, I'm sure you can find Rhinestone adhesive sheet on Amazon, but they still do have these in Dollar Tree depending on what area you're in. So first I'm going to peel off the backing and make sure that I place them on the sides, making sure that I align them up so that they match perfectly. And here we are with the finished results. And I love the way that it turned out. Coming up soon on my channel, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I'll style my bar cart area. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss this. I love you guys. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.